guys! So this is our last lesson for learning QuickBooks in 30 days in 60 seconds. So ngayon, pag-uusapan na naman natin what is the difference of QBO Accountant View doon sa nakikita nila na QBO Business View. So ayan. So yung QBO Accountant View is designed for accountants and bookkeepers who are familiar dun sa mga standard accounting terminology na ginagamit natin or mga workflows. Kung mapapansin mo, it uses the debit and credit in your journal entry para mas madali yung pagre-record mo. So dahil familiar ka dun sa accounting 101 na tinatawag, it's para sa iyo talaga tong accountant view. At it also include a detailed chart of accounts, 'di ba? At may traditional siya na accounting category. Then, it also can provide you more complex reporting and features such as adjusting journal entry. Di ba? Pinag-aralan mo yon pag sabi ko nga sa iyo, huwag kang matakot na mag-record kasi meron naman tayong adjusting journal entry na tinatawag. And then, it also matches your, kung mapapansin mo, kung familiar ka before sa QBO na desktop view, it's more easier for an accountant na mag-transition from desktop version to online version. O, diba? So, ngayon naman, yung QBO Business View na tinatawag, yung simplified view, it's also designed for mga business owner para mas madali sila, kahit hindi strong yung accounting background mo, mas madali ka makakadap kasi sinimplified nila yung mga language, yung mga terminology na ginagamit natin sa accounting and bookkeeping. Kung makikita mo, ang nakalagay dun sa kanila, money in or money out instead of debit and credit. So, sa debit kasi, di ba, aalamin mo pa kung ano yung normal balance niya. Aalamin mo pa kung ano yung nagpapa-increase sa kanya, ano yung nagpapa-decrease. Tapos, sa QBO Business View na tinatawag, it also group yung mga transaction in a way that is easier for non-accountant to understand. So, makikita mo doon na hindi siya complex katulad nung sa atin na accountant's view. Tsaka yung it provides fewer advanced option, make it the interface more simpler at user-friendly. At ideal talaga siya sa small business owners who are managing their business operations on their own. So, for me, ano ang best view? Siyempre, accountant view. Kasi meron doon special na mga tools that you can use para mas papadali yung ginagawa mong pagre-record ng client. Ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung view na makikita nyo sa accountant view na tinatawag, tapos kung ano naman yung business view na tinatawag. Example ng isang QBO accountant na view. So, what I really like about this is meron ka ritong para dun sa practices mo. Tapos, you can also manage your books here also. Yan. So, kapag nag-login or sign up ka for a QBO accountant, ito yung magiging benefits mo. So, you also have a training para dun sa certification mo. Dito ka kukuha ng certification. Pero, sa susunod na topic na natin yan. Hindi na natin siya maano. And then, what I really like about the accountant, QB accountant, is may accountant tools tayo na nagagamit natin whenever we are doing some stuffs. Like, meron tong link sa chart of accounts agad. Tapos, yung mga journal entries, reconcile, reports, ano yung mga binovoid or dinidelete na transaction. Tapos, pwede ka rito kasing mag-close ng book. For example, na-close mo na yung January. So, wala nang makakagalaw nun. Tapos, it also can open new window. Ito naman yung mga tools na ginagamit. So, meron kami dyang reclassifying, transaction, report, option, tapos write-off ng mga invoices, tapos COA templates. So, paano mo malalaman na nasang view ka? Kailangan natin pumunta dun sa isang account. So, yung kanina, yung ginawa ko na account. So, mag-switch tayo ng view. From the accountant view, paano naman natin makikita yung view mo as a bookkeeper. So, ito, yung account niya. QBO accountant pa rin yung gamit ko, kung makikita nyo. Pero dito, yan. So, naka-accountant view, tapos pwede akong mag-switch to business view. So, ito yung itsura niya kapag accountant view. So, ito yung mga ano niya. Meron siyang client overview, dashboard, transactions, sales, expenses, reports, employee, budget, taxes, saka may accountant. Yan. And then, ito yung business view. Kapag nag-transition tayo, ay accountant view, tapos pag nag-transition tayo sa business view, ganito yung itsura naman niya. So, this is the business view kung saan ito yung nakikita ni client. Yan, same lang din halos, pero kung mapapansin mo, yung transaction niya, yan, almost the same siya. Almost the same. Diba? Ito kasi accountant view, kumbaga, ito yung access ko kasi. Pagdating kay client, mas ano sa kanya, mas layman's yung terms niya. Money in, money out. Yan, wala tayong example dito na ano business view galing kay client eh. Yan. So, yun yung pagkakaiba niya. Pero if ever accountant or bookkeeper ka, mas maganda pa rin ang gamitin mo accountant view. If you are a business owner, tas gusto mo i-handle yung sarili mong accounts is, pwede ka dun sa sa business view. Or kung gusto mo mag-advance or mag-level up, pwede ka naman sa QBO account. So, hindi na natin madidiscuss how to sign up on your QBO account. At siguro on the next video, we can do a sample kung paano ka magsa-sign up. So, let us discuss na lang it sa mga susunod pa video. Pero congratulations! You made it to the last video ng Learning QuickBooks in 30 days, in 60 seconds. Hopefully that you are able to know more about dun sa bookkeeping na yung ginagawa namin na daily. At naisipan mong mag-try, mag-bookkeeping. Pwede kang try yung 30 days free trial ni QuickBooks. Tapos, sundan mo yung mga ginawa natin doon sa lesson 1 to lesson 30. And hopefully, we can also upload yung susunod na launch na series natin. And I'm so excited. Excited yan. Excited ako na ipakita yun sa inyo. So, thank you so much for those people who are watching it, na nag-comment, na nagbigay ng mga suggestion. I really see your comments. Sometimes na ko lang siya pag napipindot ko kasi, tapos hindi ako agad nakapag-react o nakapag-video, natatabunan na siya. So, pasensya na kung hindi ko nakita. Pero, congratulations! You made it to the 30 days! And I'm so happy for you. So, maraming salamat din for those who are watching. Again, if you know someone who are interested to know more about bookkeeping, kindly comment. Tapos, o kaya i-share mo na rin tong video na to para mas marami tayong makaalam about sa bookkeeping na ito. So, thank you so much. At kung nagustuhan mo tong video na to, paki-like naman, paki-heart naman, ano mo, reaction mo. Or mag-comment ka na rin if ever you are interested to more topics about bookkeeping. At excited na ako i-launch ang susunod nating series. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye!